Pleased to offer you this Lotus Emira. It's the first edition, fitted with the automatic transmission and the touring pack. Okay, Nimbus Grey, metallic, 23 registered, 400 miles only, one private owner, immaculate condition, nicely optioned as we're walking around the car. Obviously, being a first edition, it's going to have all the options you'd want plus more. So the colour changes as the sun catches it, as you can see now. It changes from bronze to grey to a silvery colour and all sorts, so it's just a lovely combination. So the car was optioned with these 20-inch silver alloy wheels, which have the contrast yellow brake calipers, which also highlights with some of the interior features. So we've got a lower black pack there, privacy glass to the rear quarters and the rear window. Being first edition, we've got reversing cameras, park sensors, everything like that, and also the option packs, which we've got more details on the website. Stunning piece of kit, probably one of the most talked about new sports cars of the year, in immaculate condition. Due for sale, only because the owner doesn't find it large enough for his European tours. The optioned inside very personally and very well indeed. We've got black Alcantara trim with leather side bolsters there, and we've got contrast yellow stitching to the seats, centre console, dashboard and door cards. The steering wheel is a leather stitched in yellow with the yellow top dead centre, which is only available with this fantastic automatic gearbox. There we see the push button start there with a flip off safety catch. Obviously all these big screens are all standard and everything. Very nicely finished off. Black Alcantara headlining. Nice place to be. So we've got memory seats, electric seats, driver and passenger, climate control, all the Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay features, and also this iPower KEF speaker system. We've got the first edition mats there, and also there are reminders all around the car to tell you it is first edition. Behind the seats there you've got slight luggage space for bags and small items. So we've got park sensors, reversing camera, part of the convenience pack, and in the back there we've got the 3.5 litre V6 engine there with a glass partition, which absolutely looks super. And also there's your luggage space in the rear with the warning triangle and the mirror pack. So there we are, 469 miles, one owner, 23 plate, nicely optioned, lovely timeless colour combination. Not much not to like about this car. Please give us a call on 01507 602222 or visit our website, either thompsonsmith.co.uk or wallsideclassics.co.uk for this video and loads of high resolution photos. Thanks for looking so far.